In this video, we continue to invest $500 into cryptocurrencies. I will follow Graham Stephan's strategy for a year and see the results in January 2023. What has changed on the top list compared to the previous month? How much money have we lost so far, or have we earned something? Today, we continue the crypto adventure. Welcome to the second episode. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect 4 weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are soon introducing a membership option where you will have the opportunity to get our private stock portfolio, but more about it in the upcoming videos. Today we continue the crypto adventure we started a month ago. If you're interested in a detailed strategy according to which we invest our money, watch the video in the upper right corner of the screen before this episode. In short, the strategy is based on statistics and the equal investment each month in the top 10 cryptocurrencies on the list. When we take a look at the top 10 list compared to the previous month, we can see that Polkadot has fallen a lot and it's on place number 13. We see that Avalanche and Luna have entered the top 10 list, but let's go from the beginning. So the first coin we buy is of course $50 of Bitcoin. When we look at 1 year chart, we see that Bitcoin has been in constant decline since December last year. The next cryptocurrency we buy is the younger brother Ethereum. So we also take $50 of Ethereum, and when we look at the graph of a year, we see that Ethereum is also in decline. In general, all cryptocurrencies are in red. Ethereum has announced a move to proof of stake, and somehow this change must happen as soon as possible if it does not want to be overwhelmed by Solana and Cardano. The next two cryptocurrencies are Tether, USDT stablecoin, and BNB. We take $50 each from both coins, however, we will take later some more Tether so we can take other cryptocurrencies that can only be taken by converting USDT into them. Now we come to the coin that we thought last month would fall out of the top 10 list, but it's climbed to 6th place. It's XRP. Ripple gains an advantage over the Securities and Exchange Commission, and new evidence may favor the XRP. The legal battle between XRP and the US Securities and Exchange Commission continues. Entering the second year, the newly published documents could give the payment company an advantage over the Commission. The next coin on the top 10 list is Cardano, so we also take a $50 of ADA. Cardano is the coin that is probably the most unlucky coin in the cryptocurrency market. One of the news that influenced the decline of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana and Cardano is the NFT hack on the OpenSea platform. The latest drop in cryptocurrency prices, which wiped out nearly 300 billion from the combined cryptocurrency market in recent days, was sparked by a series of viral tweets of panicked NFT traders, prompting OpenSea to say it was investigating exploitation rumors. Now we come to the part where we talk about the coin that we mentioned in the previous episode, which was not on the top 10 list. It's AVAX. Avalanche, despite the general decline in cryptocurrencies, managed to bring us some profit and climb to the top 10 list. When we look at the chart in the last month, we will see that it has reached even $96, which you will see later in the general report when we look at the overall balance of our investments. Experts claim that this coin could reach a price of over $110 by the end of the year, which would certainly be great news for us. If you're wondering why we took this coin last week, check out the first episode. In the end, we also take a $50 of Luna. To get $50 of Terra, we have to convert USDT to Luna. We see that the coin has also entered the top 10 list. On the monthly chart, we see that Jeff Bezos' Team meme coin has fallen by almost 70%, and that other meme coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have risen. As we did in the last episode, so today we will choose a couple of cryptocurrencies outside the top 10 list that we believe have the potential for growth this year and whose trend we will follow more often. Definitely the number one tip is to research every single coin you are interested in before making any financial decision. If you want, write me down in the comment if you are interested in a strategy for finding coins that will reach 10x, 20x, 50x or even 100x from its current value. For this episode, I went for Metaverse Coin Sandbox and Algorand. We will take $30 for both coins. We can take the Sandbox directly using credit card and we have to convert Algorand as we did with Luna. The Algorand Foundation is establishing a $10 million SUPA grant to be awarded among the teams, speeding up the work needed to deliver Ethereum virtual machine compatibility, according to a February 17 announcement. The Algorand Foundation has awarded the Applied Blockchain Grant for development of the London Bridge, a bridge without trust that will connect Algorand and Ethereum. I honestly think that Algorand is at Ethereum coin potential, but it remains to be seen how the project will develop in the upcoming months. Now let's take a look at our portfolio after 2 months and see how much money we have lost given the general decline in cryptocurrencies which eventually continues. As you can see, the current value of our portfolio is around $1000 and since the beginning of the adventure we have lost around $95. If we look at the graph, we will see that we have not been profitable for literally any day, because we bought cryptocurrencies at the time of their constant decline. But as Warren Buffett says, when everyone else is scared, you have to be fearless. I can't wait to see how the situation develops from month to month, and we will continue with the same strategy until January next year, when we will draw the line and see how much money we have earned or lost. Like I said, if you want a complete mini course on how to find the next altcoins that can experience a big boom, write me down in the comments. Remember that this is not a strategy that will bring you a huge sums of money, but a slow growth strategy based on statistics. If you missed the first episode, I will leave you a video in the comments. Remember that the cryptocurrency market is a high risk market and you should always do your own research and not just listen to other people. That would be all for this amazing video. We will soon start documenting our journey when it comes to stock market, stocks and indexes, so be sure to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and follow me on Instagram because I will soon be more active there with a lot of useful tips for making money online. Until some next video and a new way to make money online and some new adventures and education, big greetings from my YouTube channel. Cheers!